Morning everyone, myself Yuki Tripathi from class 9 and today my topic is angles. What are angles? The space between two lines or surfaces that meet measured in degrees are known as angle. Example of angles are the corner of a book, edge of the table. These are the daily life examples of angles. There are various types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle and adjacent angle. So what is acute angle? The angle that measures larger than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, it makes an acute angle. Example of acute angle is 62. So here 62 is larger than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So it makes an acute angle. Second is right angle. Right angle that measures exact of 90 degree is known as right angle. So example of right angle is the edge of the cardboard, etc., etc. Now obtuse angles. What is obtuse angle? The angle that measures larger than 90 degree and less than 180 degree makes an obtuse angle. For example, 130. Here 130 is larger than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Next is straight angle. Straight angle are those angles that measure exact of 180 degree. So the example of straight angle is the flat surface makes an 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle are those angles that measures larger than 180 degree and less than 360 degree can make the reflex angle. Example 210. This is larger than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Next is complete angle. Complete angle are those angles that measure exact of 360 degree. For example, an angle by the bangle makes a 360 degree. Next is complementary angle. Complementary angle are those angles that make complementary are two angles that two angles make a 90 degree. For example, this makes an complementary angle. Next is supplementary angle. When two angles measures 180 degree are known as supplementary angle. For example, this makes an supplementary angle. Adjacent angle are those angles that makes with two common angles. Thank you.